Hello all. Today we learn about the components of thin layer chromatography. Thin layer chromatography consists of following components. First is TLC plates. These are stable and chemically inert plates where a thin layer of stationary phase is applied on its whole surface layer. The stationary phase on the plates is of uniform thickness and is in a fine particle size. Second is TLC chamber. It is used for the development of TLC plate. The chamber maintains a uniform environment inside for proper development of spots and prevents the evaporation of solvents and keeps the process dust free. If you are new on the channel, please do subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you so much.